Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Lego forklift. So here it is. It is a pretty nice kit, and it comes with a simple little pallet and a little container for something. I have no idea what it would contain, if it actually did contain something. Pallet, it's pretty sturdy, not bad. Even the rope I had on it, it was just a rope from spare rope or something. So that's that. Even the forklift, it's pretty nice. Like it. No complaints really. It's like you can lift that. It's just sort of like you go. Then it just sort of latches like that, so it won't just like fall over. Oh, so that's pretty good. How you lift it is this little light thing on the top. Really like the design of how it works. Looks like, as you can see, there's a rope along here that gets pulled up and down. Wait, no. There's this thing. This thing goes up and down, which pulls this up and down on here. So it moves up and down. It's easier going down, so that's pretty cool. Well, overall, it's a pretty good looking kit. Like it. And how it steers is the back. Like through the little exhaust pipe thing or whatever. It's like it moves around pretty well. And whenever you move the front wheels, it actually has a little engine thing, which is pretty cool. And you can buy a little light kit for it, that lights these little things up, which is pretty cool. I bet I could do it myself, because we have a bunch of battery packs lying around. Pretty nice kit. Has a differential, so pretty cool. Oh, nice compact, really cool, like it. And that's it. So that's the end of the review. Please subscribe, like if you haven't, and ring the bell to not miss another video. Hope you enjoyed.